Okay, this is a demonstration of the new water level sensor. Right now the program's running on the on my phone, my other phone, and you can see I have the water levels filtered out here, and everything's the water level is very low over here. You can see that the level is low. So basically, there's two wires on either side of the container on the inside that I'm just measuring the resistance. When there's more water, there's less resistance. All right. So now if I add water to it, let me go over here. Diags. Pump diagnostic. Okay, so you see the water pump is showing no water there, right? Okay, so I wish I had a GoPro attached to my head. This would be a lot easier. So there's the sensor. Alright, so I'm gonna if you saw that, there's a sensor. Okay, I'm gonna fill this up. Put the lid back on. Okay, you put the you have the pipe just flipped around there for diagnostics. Okay, let's go back over here. You can see on the app now that it's, well, it doesn't say full, but this technique, it's not so accurate, but I think it's accurate enough. And you can see over here it says 86%. Now if we press the button to run the pump, see if you can see both of them there. Yeah, so when the pump is running, the level goes high. I think it's maybe because the water is kind of swirling around. So press it again. It's going down. You look over here on the monitor, you can see the numbers going down. Alright, let's keep doing this. Takes about 5 or 6 to empty it. No, it actually takes 8 5-second runs, about 40 seconds to empty it. Alright. Yeah, you can see it's not as accurate as it was last night. And okay, there now it's sucking air, and you can see now it went to 0. Okay, that's it.